Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're looking at the JBL CLIP5. They claim 12 hours of battery. It has a clip so you can put it on your backpack, on any other places you may want to attach it to. It has Bluetooth version 5.3. It has stereo pair and multi-speaker connection with Auracast. What else is important? So the frequency is 95 Hz to 20 kilohertz, and the speaker it's 7 watts RMS. So what's going to happen? You will have a speaker in here and a passive radiator on the back. So yeah, let's see what else we can see. IP67 waterproof and dust proof rating. That's really good. It works with the JBL portable app, and they have this new feature, which I've seen it in the JBL Go 4 as well, where you go in the app and you just turn on plane time boost, and that will give you an extra 3 hours of battery, which is quite cool. So yeah, dare to listen, they say. So let's get into it. The speaker itself, it's bigger than I've expected. I haven't had any other JBL clip speakers, and if you look at this one and you compare it against the JBL Go 4, as you can see, it's a bit bigger. So yeah, in terms of thickness, I think this JBL CLIP5, it's a bit thicker as well. Yeah, so let's take this out of the way. So yeah, this is metal because it's cold. That's how you operate this. JBL CLIP5 on the side. I really like the new JBL logo. Volume up and down, play pause, and then on the side you have the power button, the Bluetooth button, and the Auracast button. So the way it works with Auracast, you turn the speaker on, you press Auracast on the main speaker, and then you turn the other speaker on and you press the Auracast button as well, and they automatically pair with each other. It won't be a stereo, but they will play at the same time. It's only stereo if you have the same type of speaker. On the back you have this nice grip, better than on previous models, I'll say. This is not going to go anywhere, it will stay there. And below obviously is the passive radiator, which is pushing quite a big thump when at maximum volume. And on the bottom we have the USB-C port. Yep. In the box we also have some documentation, quick start guide, safety instructions, and we of course have the USB-A to USB-C JBL charging cable. It's really nice to see that we have USB-C. So yeah, let's turn it on. So it's gonna automatically appear on your phone, and then you can configure it, and then you can also go into the JBL app, portable app. So yeah, let's hear and see if they change anything, the welcome sound. So that's the same sound as usually. It's really good that they keep it as the same. People are now used to it. I forgot to tell you there's an LED as well, indicator on the top. Yeah guys, so we are in the JBL portable app. So I'm going to turn on the JBL CLIP5. And because it's already paired, it immediately shows up in here. I think it's way faster than previous generation of JBL speakers. So yeah, from the top down you have the name, you can customize that to whatever you want. I call it JBL CLIP5 because that's what it is. Then you have the JBL speaker image, followed by the percentage of the battery, which is quite useful. And then they've added this equalizer modes, which I really like. So you can have the JBL signature, chill, energetic, vocal, and custom. So you have up to 5 EQ bands to choose from, where before you had only 3 and you didn't have any customized equalizers like you do have now. So the next one is playtime boost. This will help you prolong the battery life with about 3 hours. When you turn it on, I've noticed that it lowers the bass. Yeah, so that's how they do it. It's still a good sound, but I do prefer it as normal. I prefer to charge it. You can do a stereo group pair. It's looking for another JBL speaker. What I wasn't able to do is like I wasn't able to pair the JBL CLIP5 or the JBL Go 4 with JBL Flip 6. For some reason, he wouldn't allow me at all. That could mean that maybe you can't really pair the new generation of JBL speakers with the old one. So yeah, it looks like for now, at least from my test, they only work with Auracast. Yeah. As you can see, it says how to find another speaker, which I've looked at. It says power on other speakers. Make sure the speaker of the same model is power on and placed nearby. So maybe that's why. And then it says turn off party boost on the other speaker to make sure it's not in the other party groups. But for me, this didn't work at all. I could only pair JBL CLIP5 with JBL Go 4. And in here, I'm not going to go. This is where you update the firmware and you get some more product information like the serial number and the guide. So that's pretty much it, guys, from the app. Let's go ahead and look into it further. Okay, guys, so what I want to say is that it's a bit heavier than the JBL Go 4, but not with much. Yeah, they both have their own kind of style and usage. I like this one that it also stands up. So what I want to try and do now is we'll try to pair both of them, and I'll show you how that works. But for now, let's just quickly do a sound test on this. So we'll start with the volume to the middle, and we'll play some free music. So yeah, let's have a listen. Okay, I'm gonna just for a little bit increase the volume to maximum, just to get an idea. see, when you increase more than 60%, the bass is lowered a bit, but it still sounds decent, I say. Okay, so now just to show you a quick comparison between them two, just to get an idea. We'll put them both flat like that because that's how it's fair. And let's start with the JBL clip a bit. It's a bit hard to put the volume on both of them on the iPhone, so let me try something quickly. It's a bit complicated because it doesn't show exactly. It doesn't show a percentage, so I'm gonna try something now. Okay, and then this one. Okay, so that's clip 5, and then JBL Go. So yeah, let's try again. So this is how it compared to that one. Okay, I think I have the same volume now. Yeah, they both sound really good, but this one sounds a bit louder, and it has a bit more bass. So yeah, let's see if I have another song that I could show you. So let's start. Let's start with the clip 5. Okay, so back to JBL Go 4. We'll increase a bit the volume on this one. We did the same on that. Okay, so here you go, just in case you may say that it was flat down. Okay guys, so now one more thing I want to show you. Let's just put them in pair mode. So first of all, we'll press once on this. You can hear a sound, then you press on this. So now they should play together. So let's see how that works. Okay guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. More videos to come with these two. We'll compare them against other speakers and we'll see how they sound. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment and tell us what speaker would you like to see next, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.